Besides the upgrades in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other established blockchains, there are many exciting new projects coming along and trying to build the blockchain of the future. We already briefly mentioned iOS Tezos i3 self-amending cryptographic ledger. This means that it deploys a decentralized consensus mechanism not only to transaction validation and updating the state of its blockchain, but also to how its protocol and networks are governed and evolve over time. To do this, it plans to deploy a delegated proof of stake consensus algorithm and its blockchain protocol into three distinct layers: network protocol in charge of broadcasting transactions. Of course, its network transaction protocol which defines the criteria that make a transaction valid consensus. Protocol that specifies how a consensus is reached around a unique chain of transactions. This should render the governance of the TSO ecosystem efficient and allow it to evolve frequently to incorporate any features considered suitable by its community of stakeholders. In this way, T-Zone can potentially include all the newest and best features space at any given time and keep itself on the forefront of technological innovation. Such features may include new types of consensus algorithms, privacy features on chain or off chain, scalability and interoperability solutions, and so on. T-Zone is being designed as a smart contract platform aligned for decentralized applications in a similar way that Ethereum does, but it uses a different programming language and aims to bring some improvement upon existing platforms in that area as well. Its mainnet has not been launched yet, but Polkadot, led by Gavin Wu, who was one of the founders and chief technology officer (CTO), focuses on resolving interoperability among blockchains. Polkadot aims to provide network for interconnecting different blockchains. They want to build a backbone infrastructure called a relay chain that connects other side chains to a parachain. Such side chains or parachains can be on the existing blockchain network like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Hyperledger, among others. Since the primary objective of Poker is to provide cross-chain interoperability with other blockchains, it is not envisaged to support customized complex smart contracts for decentralized applications in the way 3 aim does for. The aim is to keep the relay chain as simple as possible so its operation is optimized to provide efficient interconnectivity. It is expected to come online in 2019. Cosmos, developed by Tender Mint, is another notable long-awaited project focused on building cross-chain interconnectivity. It uses decentralized exchange technology and its release is scheduled for 2018. IAN is yet another project trying to build an interconnected blockchain with bridges to external networks. They want to implement a novel hybrid dedicated proof of stake, proof of work consensus mechanism, building on top of a lot of research and development done so far in the industry. They leverage concepts from the Ethereum, Java machine learning, and other fields of modern science in their pursuit to deliver a next generation blockchain technology. ION partners with others prominent projects focused on building interconnected networks of blockchain. ION and Icon and Venchain. Both from Asia, Venchain also implements privacy features using ring technology. We presented earlier with Monero. These projects draw parallels to the SWIFT system for international payment, where each country has its own currency system, but multiple banks from any country can connect and operate through the SWIFT network. Jenica, an exciting new project, aims to build a blockchain implementing sharing the scalability solution. Ethereum, it is exploring to now. It also provides smart contract programming capabilities compatible with Ethereum and the Solidity language. Another new project which is trying to implement Sharping is Arcane. They are building a smart contract and decentralized application platform with a virtual machine and programming language leveraging concepts from Ethereum and other recent innovation. Our chain is also building a proof of stake consensus protocol similar to Ethereum and Casper, Cardano, and I3 and two other notable projects trying to resolve the limitations of existing blockchains all at once, tackling simultaneously scalability, governance, interoperability, and so on. They are both based on dedicated proof of stake consensus mechanism and enable smart contracts. They are currently being developed and carry very high expectations by the blockchain community. The pipeline of ambitious new projects is very long and covering them all is beyond our scope, so apologies to anyone who may feel left out. We just wanted to give our audience a taste of what is out there in terms of R&D and coming up new projects